what is so important in having a successful RFID implementation is choosing the right tag. The tag is the foundation of success in an RFID application. If you think about building a house without a solid foundation, you're on shaky ground. Why is choosing the tag so important? If the tag that is chosen is not the correct tag, you're not going to get the readability of that tag. So how do you go about doing that? Well, first and foremost, there are two types of tags. There's a passive RFID tag, and there is what is called an active RFID tag. The active RFID tag will give you a signal with the use of a battery. A battery is costly, and a battery needs to be changed. You're not going to get a quick return on your investment if you're going to invest in an RFID tag. It's just too costly, it's just too time-consuming to maintain. A2B Tracking strongly recommends the use of passive RFID tags. As Bobby demonstrated earlier on in the webinar, how the tag works with the beam homing in from the reader, all you need to do is choose the right type of passive RFID tag based on the environmental condition that that tag is going to be exposed to. Now, tags can be applied to different surfaces. They can be applied to a carton box, a wood application, metal, plastic. The environment that it could be in is just a basic warehouse. It could be room temperature controlled environment, such as an office. It could be a manufacturing facility. There are different types of environmental conditions. Therefore, there are literally hundreds of different types of passive RFID tags that are available. So how do you go about choosing the right tag? You need to look and understand that environmental condition, because otherwise you're going to deal with, as we have here, a higher cost to implement your RFID solution. If you were to consider an RFID tag, like we talked about earlier, they can be very expensive with the tag itself, as well as the cost of the battery and to maintain the battery. A passive RFID tag is literally no maintenance. There's no batteries to change. It's just the tag itself. Choosing the right passive RFID tag will absolutely last for the entire life cycle of the asset that you're applying it to. And by the way, you can apply the tag directly to the asset or just to the storage or the carton box that the asset is stored in. And again, passive RFID tags come in an endless variety, which allows you to choose the appropriate tag for the environmental condition that that asset is going to be exposed to.